In today's video, we will be drawing a chibi Charizard. Let's get started. We're gonna start with Charizard's face. We're gonna go for the eye. Let's try an iconic eye with the angry face first. We're gonna go up an angle to the right. Then once you're done with that, we're gonna connect it with this boxy shape for the iconic eye shape. Let's draw in the iris. We're gonna go for two sides, a highlight, and an iris. Once you're done with the iris, all we need to do is color in the iris, and then we're done. With this eye complete, we could draw in the eyebrow area, which is going to be this little checkered symbol. Just a little swoop. Then we could continue with the nose on the other side. Let's go right or left from this point. And we're going to swoop down to the front of the face. Go back up for a little smile. And then we could just put in the bottom of the chin right there. And with this eye done, we could draw in the other side. We don't have a lot of room because he's looking away from us, so we're going to just go up like that, draw a little bit of the eye, color it in. With the face done, we just need the horns. The horns are just going to be these rectangular shapes. And do another one maybe right around here, and then back down. With the horn shape done, let's draw in the side of the face. We're going to go out and stop around here and then go down for the neck. And on this side, we're going to do the other side of the neck. With that done, we're going to draw in the arms, which is just going to be two parallel lines. Stop around here, and we're going to go up to create the elbow, and the other side to create in the forearm. And for the hands, I'm going to simplify it by just drawing in three big mound shapes and then little claws in the middle, like so. And then we just need a little W or just a U, just to simplify it, for the bottom of the paw. And on the other side, we're going to repeat the same thing. We're going to go out, up, three U shapes, and then go back to the body. Let's do the claws, and then just a little U shape. Once the claws are done, we could just draw in the body. He has a really round body, so we're just going to start by going out, stopping around here because we need to do the legs. The legs are just going to be a shape like this. And we're going to simplify things again. For the legs, we're just going to do three claws, back into the body and up. Just a little line. And we just need the three claws filled in. And then we could just do the bottom of the body. And then we'll repeat the same leg on this side. Go out, three claws, back up, up, and in. Let's just fill in the claws. It's going pretty smoothly. Now we need the belly detail. We're just going to fill in the belly detail with this big round egg shape. And then we need the tail. The tail is going to start from the bottom, right around here, go up and back down, and let's split the tail to be two-toned. And let's draw in some fire for the tail. Just do some squiggly shapes for the fire, like so, and we just need to split the fire. And we're just going to color one side red and one side yellow, and that's all we really need. And Charizard is missing some of the elements, primarily his big wings. So we can start the wings around this neck area, go up, Let's go make it a little bigger. Let's go all the way up to this point. And then go up, make a spike. Then we can go out, down, and meet this area. And then we can go back down to meet his body. And then we need to fill in the wings right around here. And then some lines for the wing detail. I'll repeat the same wing on the other side. We're gonna go start from around the neck area. Go up. Make the hook. Go back out all the way down, maybe to around here. Go back up, meet this point, and connect to the body. Once you're around there, we're just going to do the same thing. Up, connect to the body, and some lines for detail. And his face, I realize he is missing his nostrils, so let's add in the nostril real quick. And that's our chibi Charizard. Let's add some color. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe. And if you have suggestions for any other Pokemon, please leave it in the comments down below. And I'll see you in the next one.